Hi there, it's Emily Jane here. I do trust all is well with you. This is the end of my day 4. It's been rather a busy one, and it included my second show ever, my radio show, my new radio show on Holistic Radio UK, which today was all about turbocharged turmeric and lots of other things which kind of popped in, including trans fats, which are good fats, which are bad fats. If you want to find out more and about all the amazing benefits of turmeric, then please click on the link below, which will take you to my newsletter today, which features that, as well as a link to the recipe page on my website, where you'll get today's recipes on turmeric for free, and it has other links there as well should you wish to take advantage of them. So go check me out, see a little bit more about that, and find out about the amazing turbocharged turmeric. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Lots of love. Bye.